The 2018 Altima. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.5-liter engine, and comes with a continuously variable transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: alloy wheels, rear spoiler, traction control, stability control, sports suspension, daytime running lights, anti-lock braking system, fog lights, driver's side remote mirror, power brakes. Inside you'll find rear view camera, steering wheel audio controls, premium sound system, MP3 player, cruise control, trip computer, power outlets, child safety locks, power door locks, power windows. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.